Sensiotec is a medical device company creating major advances in healthcare. We're revolutionizing the next generation of vital signs monitoring systems using ultra-wideband, which is an emerging low-power wireless standard. Using UWB, we've created a continuous, real-time, non-contact vital signs monitoring system that measures heart rate, respiration rate, patient presence, and movement. The system uses no electrodes, wires, or other attachments that can create skin irritation, injury, or even serious infection. Sensiotec's first product, PAM3000, can send vital signs information anywhere, whether it's to a nurse's station right down the hall or an alert station 100 miles away. Sensiotec's second product, Preventa, can tell caregivers when a patient needs an assisted relocation to prevent the onset of bed sores. Our third product, PAT3000, protects wandering Alzheimer's patients and can also keep track of expensive portable healthcare equipment. Sensiotec's products have all kinds of uses for diagnosis and treatment in both inpatient and outpatient specialties. The applications can include cardiology, gerontology, intensive care, med-surg, pulmonology and ENT, and even sleep apnea. Future applications can include prenatal for home monitoring of high-risk pregnancies and neonatal for preemies. We also expect that in the future, Sensiotec's technology will include the monitoring of blood pressure. The Sensiotec non-contact wireless monitoring system can measure the vital signs of a single patient, an entire ward, or even a whole hospital system. The monitoring system consists of 4 components: a bed sensor panel that fits right under the bed, an RBS, or remote base station, and a CBS, or central base station. Inside the bed sensor panel are 2 key elements: a transceiver and a very sensitive motion sensor. The transceiver sends out nanosecond pulses that bounce off the patient's heart and lungs and then bounce back to the motion sensor. Then inside the bed sensor panel, that information is processed and sent on to the remote base station, which just fits onto a wall. From the remote base station, the information is sent on to this CBS, central base station unit, that simply plugs into a USB port of a computer. Through these 3 components, real-time patient data is sent continuously to a computer screen. A graphical user interface shows the heart rates, respiratory rates, patient presence, and patient movement data for 12 patients at a time. A large window will pop up for a particular patient if pre-established parameters are exceeded. Sensiotec's system can be used in many settings. Sensiotec gives caregivers the tools they need to watch their patients virtually 100% of the time, even when they do actual rounds only once every 4 to 6 hours. Sensiotec is an early response warning system that provides an instant alert when an acute, life-threatening emergency is happening. In the face of critical staff shortages, rising costs, and regulatory imperatives to improve quality of care and contain costs, Sensiotec's system provides a new and critical healthcare management tool. Because of baby boomers like me, the U.S. population over the age of 65 will double in the next 20 years, exhausting the healthcare system's capacity to respond as we know it today. As a result of this dramatic demographic shift, home healthcare will become the key, since keeping people healthy in their homes for as long as possible is the key to providing quality of care. Sensiotec outperforms its only direct competition by a wide margin. The Sensiotec system sends out real vital signs continuously, not just undifferentiated alerts that go to a single nurse's station. The Sensiotec system self-calibrates for new patients in 20 seconds. It doesn't need a trained technician to reset it each time there's a patient turnover. It's greener, using 100 times less energy, and it's 1/3 the cost. And it can be used not only in a hospital, but in a nursing home, an assisted living facility, at home, and even in a hospice. Sensiotec is the leader in wireless non-contact vital signs monitoring systems.